Good morning, students. Now, continue our chapter plants. Yesterday we have discussed how do plants prepare their food. Now, today we will discuss reproduction in plants. Already you know that there are living organisms, plant, animals, human beings, all these are the living organisms. And these living organisms have reproduced. What is the meaning of this word reproduction? Reproduce means the process by which a living things produce more of its own kind is called reproduction. Question is arises, why is it necessary? Reproduction is necessary to maintain their race and number on earth. Plants also reproduce their own kind. I am repeated. Plants reproduce their own kind. How? Okay. Types of reproduction in plants. Here, two types of the reproduction in plants: reproduction through seeds and reproduction through different parts of a plant like underground stem, stem cutting, root and leaf. And we already tell plants reproduce their own kinds. So my dear students, first of all we have discussed reproduction through seeds. Seeds are developed inside the fruits. You observe the some fruits and there are the some seeds inside it, like mango. It is the ripened fruit and there is the seed hard structure present inside it, that is the seed. As the fruit ripen, the seed become mature. And these seeds get dispersed various agents like the air, water, insect, human being, animals. There are the different agents that help to disperse the seeds. When these seeds drop on the soil and get the favorable conditions means appropriate amount of air, water, soil, temperature, all these are the conditions, favorable conditions. When the seed got all these favorable conditions, then it to form into a new plants. My dear students, you have take the seeds in your hand like bean seed, gram seed, because in the front of seed you have easily know about the structure of the seed. On the screen I have take the bean seed. You have also take the gram seed, also take, you have take the some pulses also. Now here when you observe the bean seed, there is a small hole present on the seed. This hole is known as micropyle. A hole, what is the role of this micropyle? A hole that allow water to enter inside. That is the role of the hole in bean seed or a gram seed. Next is the seed coat. Like your body is covered by the skin, and skin is the largest sense organ, you already know that, and your whole body is covered by the skin. Same as seed is also covered by a layer. This layer is called the seed coat. It is the outer layer. And what is the role of this outer layer? It helps to protect the seed from the unfavorable conditions. Now, third part is the cotyledons. Inside the seed coat, there are the seed leaves, and inside seed leaves there is a baby plant. When you cut the bean seed into the two parts are follow the means there are the two cotyledons, and you have seen the rice seed, it is only one cotyledon. Now, what is the role of this cotyledon? Cotyledon store the food for the baby plant. Here, the structure of the two cotyledons you see on the screen. Now, growth of a plant. A baby plant start growing into a new plant when it get the appropriate amount of the air, water, temperature around it, or neither to be hot or nor to be cold. Means the cotyledon provide the food to the growing the young plants, and the plants start germinate. Question arises, what is the seed germination? The process by which a seed grow and develop into a seedling, that is the young plant. On the screen you have seen, here we have take the bean seed, and bean seed sow into the soil and get the favorable condition, it is continue to growing, and seeds need the favorable condition to grow and develop into the seedling. Now, stages of germination of a bean seed. Seed put into the soil and start germinate, and here first of all small roots are arises, and after that first leaf arises and then convert into a new plants. My dear students, you also do this activity at your home. You have take the some gram and bean seed, put into the moist cotton at the room temperature for 4 and 5 days, and you observe that this seed get the favorable condition, means air, water, temperature, all these favorable conditions, and they have start the germinated, and you have seen the different stages of the seed germinations. So do this activity, how a plant grow from a seed. You do this activity and you observe all these stages which are seen on the screen. First of all, you have take the bean seed, and bean seed get the favorable conditions, moist form, and convert into the different stages. First of all, roots are arises, and after that root arises, that is called the plumule. Radicals arises and convert into a young plant. And today homework is do this activity of the seed germination and observe the different stages of the germination. It is the one type of the reproduction, that is reproduction through seeds. Now, my dear students, we meet again a new topic, continue the reproduction by the different parts of a plants, and you do this activity, and if your activity is complete, then give the photographs on my number. Thank you so much, my dear.